Hey there, Jason Moser, analyst with Motley Fool 1. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Ask a Fool. Today's question we get from August Confucius, who asks, what is your favorite enter and exit technical indicator? Well, August, I'm not sure you're going to really like my answer here, but it's honest, so you have to take that at least. We just don't do technical analysis here at the Motley Fool. It's not foolish. It's not in line with how we prefer to invest, which is we prefer to invest in businesses. We like looking at the fundamentals of the business, and we like focusing on longer time horizons, and so technical analysis doesn't really come into play for us. When you look at fundamental analysis and the way that we look at companies, we're taking a look at companies' financial statements, looking at their income statements, their balance sheets, their cash flow statements, looking at their competitive positions, looking at their management teams. Now, granted, these are things can be somewhat subjective at times, but still, we prefer to look at these types of factors when we're investing into companies for longer terms. Technical analysis is more based on price movements and patterns within how a stock is moving in the market. It's not focused on the fundamentals of the business at hand, and it's just too difficult for us to really predict, so we don't really attempt it. It's really just simply the argument between trading versus investing, and we fall on the investing side. We believe that longer time horizons help us, time is our friend, and trading can also result in commissions and taxes that can really eat into your returns if you're not careful. You know, this reminds me of a quote that great investor once said. Peter Lynch said, although it's easy to forget sometimes, a share is not a lottery ticket, it's part ownership of a business, and that's really how we like to think. So the bottom line is, it's not to say that one is right and one is wrong. They're different, and we just choose the fundamental over the technical because we believe it offers us a greater chance of success. Judging from the returns of most of our services here at The Fool, so far it seems to be working pretty nicely. So thanks again for the question. I appreciate it. And for that and more on foolish investing, make sure to go to fool.com.